Maruti Suzuki will be launching the Ciaz Facelift in India on August 20th, 2018, and the biggest update, apart from the cosmetic changes of course, will be a brand new 1.5-litre petrol engine which will be synced with Maruti's Smart Hybrid Vehicle System or SHVS. The new 1.5-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine will make about 105 bhp of peak power and 138 Nm of peak torque. Maruti will either offer the 5-speed manual or maybe even a 5-speed AMT unit. This is the first instance of Maruti using the SHVS system on a petrol engine. Unofficial bookings for the new Ciaz have already begun at Nexon showrooms across the country, with booking amounts ranging from 11,000 rupees to 21,000 rupees. The Indian-made Tata Nexon has received a 4-star rating in the latest round of Global New Car Assessment Program or NCAP crash tests. The Nexon has been awarded 4 stars for adult occupant protection and 3 stars for child occupant protection. The car's body shell has been rated as stable. The car was crashed in a frontal offset test which was conducted at 64 km/h as per the global NCAP protocol at a test lab in Munich, Germany. The Tata Nexon comes with dual airbags, seat belts with pre-tensioners, ISOFIX child seat anchorage and ABS as standard. Honda Cars India has launched one special edition model each of the City, BRV and the WRV. The Honda City Edge, along with the BRV Style and the WRV Alive are now on sale in India. These 3 cars get a variety of cosmetic and feature upgrades such as reverse parking sensors with a camera, premium upholstery, newly designed alloy wheels and other features as well. Honda will offer the WRV Alive edition with prices starting at 8,02,000 rupees and going up all the way to 9,11,000 rupees. Similarly, the BRV Style edition will be offered on all trims of the SUV with prices starting at 10,44,000 all the way up to 13,74,000 rupees. And lastly, the Honda City Edge will cost 9,75,000 rupees and will top out at 11,10,000 rupees ex-showroom.
If you like that video, you've got to subscribe to our channel. We keep things nice and simple and yet very comprehensive just for you.